If you were told you cannot pack your hair into a ponytail just because you have a low hairline or a receding edges, you need to watch this video because I'm going to be showing you a detailed heatless ponytail with my receding bald edges.
It's my lazy. It's my life.
So guys, I am back again with another video. See, my hair has been like this. My hair has been a mess for like almost 3 to 4 weeks, and I've been meaning to do this video. My hair has really grown. I cut my hair, I think 2019. Like, see how it has grown, and I've never really been taking care of it like I am supposed to, but the hair is still growing. So I used water and leave-in conditioner to spray on my hair so it can be soft. I told you my hair has been out like this for a while now, so I did that so that my hair can be soft. And I'm getting the middle pattern for the ponytail. Sis, if you have hair just like me and you've been bothered, like wondering how do I style my hair into a ponytail, because I know once we see girls that have front edges, like very full edges, me, I'm always jealous. I don't know about you, but I'm always jealous. I'm like, God, why did my front hair become like this? But as of now, I don't really care, so I try my best to make sure I do styles that makes me happy and would not cut my edges. I didn't even use one single heat on this hair. As you watch the video, I didn't use hand dry, I didn't use stretch, I didn't use anything on this hair. So I used the hair wax. It's called Kaima hair wax. Can you see how thick it is? Like, it is slipping the hair so good. I didn't want to use petals because petals is not strong, like it's not thick, it's very light. So this hair wax is really good and it doesn't leave white residue. As you'll see in this video, it didn't leave one single white residue. So I use this brush. You need to make sure your hair is slipped very well so that the ponytail will be ponying. The ponytail needs to be ponying because we are here to slay, like period. Nobody can tell me because I don't have edges I cannot do my hair into a ponytail. Please just keep your bad energy far away. So now I'm doing the back, and I'm just trying to make sure everything is aligned together. My edges are covered. Guys, please don't do this too hard, because if you do it too hard, the edge that you're looking for, you might lose it again.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, curving closer.
So I'm going again with this Kaima. Okay, the first one I used was Kaima hair wax. This is the VO5 hair wax. This is the black. I don't want to use it to like cover some patches of skin that is still showing, but I'm still going to go ahead to use an eyeliner to cover up this. Like, this tutorial is just making sense. Like, I was like, because I used to do it before. I was like, God, let me just try it, and it came out really nice. So guys, please keep on watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not done that. Guys, get me to 1K subscriber before the end of the year, or even more. So I can't be doing videos and I'm not getting subscribers. Please, you guys should support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So this is the eyeliner I'm using. This is thicker than the liquid eyeliner, so I prefer to use this one because it just sits on the hair perfectly and it's thick. You can take as much as you can. You can use a liquid one, but I prefer using this one because it's so much better. Then, as you can see, I'm putting it on all those sides that you're seeing on my skin. This eyeliner is just perfect for it because it's going to cover the skin and make it blend well. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment in the description box down below if you like the video. If you want to see more hair videos, please just give me recommendations so I know what to post for you guys. Thank you so much. Love you.
You know I'm just that light. No.
So after tying it down, I'm going to bring out the extension I'll be using. This is a crochet series. It's also called the Expression crochet series. They have it in Expression, I think other brands. So I got it, then as you can see, the ends of the hair is a bit closer together, so you have to detangle it. It's very soft. The hair is very soft, but once it's exposed to air, it tangles.
You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run up, give it something. Baby, I can run up this.
I'm sure you're wondering, this hair was low, why is it high? I went off camera to repack the ponytail so it can be a bit higher, because I figured my face frame is finer with a high ponytail rather than a low ponytail. So I went back again and went and packed it into a high ponytail, just in case you were wondering. So I'm trimming the excess hair because the hair is actually too long, so I trim it so it to be like my shoulder length, so I can puff it out a bit so it's fuller and looks more natural. Guys, this hair went, oh my god, see how my skin is popping. I'm just fine anyhow. Like, what? Oh my god, see now, I've gone to do my makeup, my skin is popping, my makeup is popping, like, period. You can't tell me nothing. Just imagine I went out like this, like oh my god, my skin looks so good. Thank you, I improvised. Thank you, guys. I'm just fooling around. So yeah, the video is still long. Like, I showed you guys how I wrapped the hair, because you can leave it like this or you can wrap it just in case we are going for a wedding. So I'm also going to do a wrapping video in this same video, so please keep on watching. And don't forget though, subscription is completely and 100% free. You just need to click the subscription button and the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always commenting. Thank you for sharing, for those that actually share. And yeah, please keep on watching to see this fine babe do her thing, guys, period.
just normal. Take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look in your eyes.
You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. Trust me, guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See more hair videos, and you can also make recommendation on what to post here on my channel.